Good evening, everyone.
Good
Uh,
evening,
so
sir.
what are we going
Evening,
to do?
sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
So today we'll be doing cubes and dice, and cubes and dice are a very important part of Nata. So I'll be taking you through unfolding and folding of a dice. All right. Along with that, a few more questions along with that. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is more of a conceptual based question wherein there's more of understanding required rather than your you know other aspects. So it's very important that you focus on this class. All right. So first, let's understand dice. So what happens is there are two kind of dice. There's standard dice and there is general dice. Okay. The standard dice are the dice which we are very familiar with. We have played Ludo. So if you might have observed that 1 and 6 are opposite to each other, right? You must have noticed that 2 and 5 are opposite to each other, and 3 and 4 are opposite to each other. Okay. General dice
Yes.
does not follow any such rules. It is just random numbers that are given on the dice. So it may not follow the same sequence that is mentioned over here. Okay, cool. Now let's move on to certain aspects of dice. For instance, this is a dice, okay, and this is another dice. Now let's say there is 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, and 6, right? These are given. I hope you can see the. Okay. No, you can see this now.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes.
perfect.
Yes.
Now, in this dice, they may ask you what is opposite to 2. Opposite
5.
to 2. So what is
5.
that? Most of us, what we do is
5.
we follow the
5.
visualization method. We two up to 2 and 5 are opposite to each other. Okay, let's keep that aspect in mind. All right. Now, what we generally feel and what we generally know is that there's more of visualization required. We start playing with 3 and then we start visualizing very often. So what we need to do is we need to understand a very clear and very clean concept and very easy to remember trick. So what we observe over here in this regard is that there is one phase that is common to both the dice. That phase would be 3, right? Now what we need to do is just let's take clockwise from 3. So 3, 1, and then from 1 we come to 2. So 3, 1, 2. And similarly, take 3 common over here, go clockwise and go clockwise over. What do we see? 3, 5, and 6. Clear? So in this regard, what do we know? We know and we that 2 and 6 are opposite to each other. 1 and 5 are opposite to each other, and 3 and 4 are opposite to each other. Okay, clear. All right. So a quick question now. Okay, my dice is very bad. Was that singing?
Sir, in this question, 6 will be opposite to 3, opposite to 2, no?
Pardon?
6 will be opposite to 2, right?
Yeah, 6 and 2 will be opposite. 1 and 5 will opposite each other, and 3 and 4 are opposite to each other. Okay. Similarly, let's say these are two dice. The plural of dice is die. So if your question says die, don't get confused. Okay. Let's say 2, 3, and 5, 3, 6, and 1. So in this case, what do we again see that 3 is the common face out here. So we will take go clockwise 3, 2, 5, and then we again take the common phase 3 over here, go clockwise 3 6 1. So again it will be 3 6 and 1, which is the phase that is not given out here, 4. So similar. Okay, coincidentally both are actually same, but I intended to give a different one, but the concept is clear, right? Now this is the case where you have one phase common. Okay, one phase common. Okay, now let's go to a scenario where you do not have one phase common, you have two phases common. I'm not looking at the chat box right now, so I'm just trying to teach out here. All right, we'll have a we'll also interact on chat box in a few minutes. Okay. All right. Let's say the cases where two phases are common. Two phases common. Now, what happens when the two phases are common? Now, let's give an example.
Sir, we have to write it.
I'll give you a chance to write also. 2 3 5 3 5 1. Okay. In this case, what do we know? What do we see? Two phases are common, right? What are the two phases that is common? 2 and oh, sorry. 3 and 5. Sorry.
3 and 5. 5.
3 and 5 are common. Which is the uncommon phase?
1 2.
2 and 1.
2 and 1.
2
and 1.
1 and 2.
In this case,
Yes. Very good. So in this case where we find that two phases are common, so in that case the uncommon phases will be opposite to each other. The uncommon phases will be opposite to each other.
Sir, here 1 and 2 both represent the same phase, I think.
Yes.
If you see to the left side 3 and 5, it is 2 on first dash, and on the same position there is 1.
Your voice is not coming through.
Sir,
I
explain
think
in Hindi
1
also.
2
Yeah,
represent the same phase.
It's clear. It's very, very clear, right? Over here, it's visually very much clear that yeah, we are just overturning it. Okay, 3 and 5 are over here, and we're just putting it over and 5 comes over, 2 becomes invert. That means 2 goes downside. That's very much clear. That's understood. Okay, but very often you may not get a chance to visualize this, and we do not have the luxury of time in our competitive examination, right? So in
Yeah.
that case, we will not go to visualize this, in the examination hall. Okay. All right. Let's note it down first.
Sir, I have a question.
Phase common. Yes, please.
Sir, explain in Hindi also.
Okay. You have a problem in understanding English? हेलो।
जी सर।
हाँ, आपको इंग्लिश में दिक्कत हो रही है समझने में?
जी सर।
ओके, तो बहुत ही छोटे में इसको कंप्लीट कर देता हूँ। जैसे जब दो डाइस दिए होंगे और उसके में एक फेस कॉमन होगा, जैसे कि इसमें आप देख रहे हो कि एक फेस कॉमन क्या है, वो है 3। तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग, 3 से जाएंगे क्लॉकवाइज। ठीक है, क्लॉकवाइज जाने पर मिलेगा हमें 1 और 2, तो 3 और 1 2 हमने लिख दिया। उसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे 3 5 6, यानी कि 3 5 6। ठीक है, इस केस में हम लोग क्या देखते हैं कि इस प्रकार से लिखने पर हम बहुत आसानी से मिल जाएगा कि 2 और 6 अपोजिट टू ईच अदर हैं, 1 और 5 अपोजिट टू ईच अदर हैं, और 3 और 4 अपोजिट टू ईच अदर। ठीक है, ये एक फेस का जब ये आता है, क्वेश्चन आता है, तब ये करना है। जब 2 फेस का आएगा तब इसमें क्या होता है कि जब देखेंगे कि 2 फेस कौन से कॉमन है, इसमें दिख रहा है कि 3 और 5 दोनों में है, तो दो कौन सा फेस अनकॉमन है, कौन सा फेस दोनों में अलग अलग है, तो 2 और 1। इस केस में हम लोग डेफिनेटली कह सकते हैं कि 2 और 1 अपोजिट टू ईच अदर हैं। But what about 3 and 5? 3 और 5 का क्या होगा? What about 3 and 5? So in this case, we can say that what are the remaining numbers? 4 and
6.
So in this case, what is opposite to 3? So either 4 or 6. What is opposite to 5? Same thing. Either 4 or 6. Done. इसमें एक और चीज नोट करने वाली बात है. There is something that you must know that if you are getting a question like this, given the 2 dice, you will not get based on just 2 dice. You may have 3 dice, okay, or 4 dice. So in that matter, what you can easily identify, and be definite as to what sides are opposite to each other. Okay, so maybe you can take 3 dice or 4 dice, and you can come to a certain conclusion. Okay. All right. So let's move on to the next part where we have unfolding of dice. Now, unfolding of dice is a quite unique part where you need to understand 2 things. Okay. This is called adjacent. The sides which are together. This is like 1 and 2 are adjacent to each other. 2 and 6 are adjacent to each other. 2 and 5 are adjacent to each other. 2 and 3 are adjacent. 3 and 4 are adjacent. Okay. So in this case, very important to learn that adjacent sides cannot be opposite to each other. That means 2 and 6 cannot be opposite to each other. 5 and 2 cannot be opposite to each other. 1 and 2 cannot be opposite to each other. Okay. So you leave one box and then move on to next. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3. So 1 and 3 are opposite to each other. 2 and 4 are opposite to each other. 5 and 6 are opposite to each other. Clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let's take another example. Those are using cell phone, please keep it in landscape mode so that you can see the full screen and bigger fonts. Okay, not keep in portrait mode. If you're using laptop, it's fine. All right. So in this case, what will happen? 1 and 3 again will be opposite to each other. Okay. 4 and 6 opposite to each other. Right. So similarly, we are left with what? 2 and 5. 1 and 3 opposite to each other. 4 and 6 opposite to each other, and 2 and 5 opposite to each other. इसमें क्या होगा कि एक साइड छोड़ के हमको ये लेना है, तो 1 2 है बगल बगल में, तो बगल वाले को छोड़ देंगे, तो 1 के बाद एक बॉक्स हमने छोड़ दिया तो 3 आ गया, तो 1 और 3 अपोजिट होंगे, इसमें सिमिलरली इधर जाएंगे तो 4 और 5 अपोजिट नहीं हो सकते, तो 4 और 5 को छोड़ देंगे तो 4 और 6 अपोजिट है, और सिमिलरली जो बच गए वो बाकी जो है 2 और 5 बच गए, तो 2 और 5 अपोजिट टू ईच अदर होंगे, ठीक है। बट हाउ डू वी शो इट इन डाइस, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन तो ऐसे नहीं आएगा। ओके, सो लेट्स से you have the same question, okay, you are allowed to take screenshot. So if you feel any like there is something that you need to take notes, or you're feeling like very lazy, so you can of course take a screenshot, but make sure that you go back to the screenshot and actually see those questions, refer to those questions or concepts, okay. All right, so just take a quick question out here.
Dice, unfolding of dice. Huge. Four है, मतलब 1 और 4 opposite है. 1 4
Please mic off कर लीजिए.
3 5 6.
Thank you. All right, so this is the dice that is given, and 1 and 4 are opposite to each other clearly. What else? 5 and 6 are opposite to
5
each
and
other.
6.
5 and 6.
6, 2 and 3.
2 and
2
3.
and 3.
Okay.
2 and 3.
Now
So in the opposite to each other, opposite.
is this a correct representation of the dice?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why?
sir.
Because
No,
1 and 4
no,
are
1 and
Because
4
1
are
and 4
1 and 4 are on a
1 and 4 are
dice.
opposite to each other.
opposite
But in this
on
dice, they are adjacent.
Okay, so most of you understood this. 1 and 4 are opposite to each other. 1 और 4 आपस में opposite हैं, तो यदि opposite हैं तो एक साथ दिखेगा ही नहीं, है ना? If two sides are opposite, then we cannot sit together at a time, right? So in this case, this is clearly wrong, right? Is this correct?
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Yes, sir, it is
sir.
correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir,
I'll
it
make
is
this 6
correct.
now. Let's make this 6. Ab
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No,
Both
sir.
are opposite.
5 cannot be adjacent to each other.
Sir, it is opposite.
ठीक, 5 and 6 cannot be opposite, तो गलत हो जाएगा। यदि 1 रहेगा तब सही है, 6 होगा तो गलत है ना? All right, so now again this is again a case of just numbers that are given to you, like ये सब नंबर दिए हुए हैं 1 से 6 तक, बहुत इजी बन जाता है हमारे लिए। लेकिन यदि इन चीजों में क्या करते हैं, दे रिप्रेजेंट इट विद फिगर्स फॉर इंस्टेंस। The concept remains the same, okay? Folding of dice, unfolding of dice, the concept remains the same. एक साइड छोड़कर लेना है, ठीक है? Sometimes it may be asked like this also. So I don't think it should be difficult for you, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, you can fashion out
1 and 3.
1 and 4 are opposite, 3 and 5 are opposite, 1 and 6 are opposite. Clear है ना?
Yes, sir.
But let's replace them with different things. For instance, what we can do is this is good. All right. For instance, let's say that there is star mark, plus, minus. Okay, this is star. Okay, this is multiplication or x. This is division. And this is slash. Okay. Now in this case, we do not know, like उसमें एक नंबर मिसिंग भी था तो वी कुड अंडरस्टैंड. If there's a number missing, we could understand that कि missing number कौन सा है, because number was written from 1 to 6. But over here the signs we cannot just have it like that. So but at least we can know star के opposite क्या होगा.
Minus.
माइनस
माइनस
मल्टीप्लिकेशन का
माइनस
Slash.
Slash.
And divide.
Division.
प्लस का डिविडेंड.
Right. So once you figure these out, then you can easily identify as to what are the question, what are the what the answer will be, right? The different kinds of symbols that may be given in place of the numbers. Okay. नंबर्स नहीं दिए रहेंगे, कुछ और दे देगा, मतलब प्लस माइनस दे दिया है ना, मल्टीप्लिकेशन दे दिया, कुछ और साइन दे दिया. जैसे कि हमने बहुत ही सिंपल साइंस यूज किए हैं, उसमें हो सकता है कि आपको कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड साइंस दे देगा, कलर भी दे सकता है. ठीक है, ब्लू कलर दे दिया, रेड कलर दे दिया, ग्रीन येलो, है ना, इस तरह कलर दे दिया. तो अब उसमें क्या करना है, सिंपल सा एक फंडा है, सिंपल सा बात है कि अब व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज यू जस्ट नीड टू फाइंड आउट कि कौन सा चीज अपोजिट है, व्हिच साइड्स आर अपोजिट टू ईच अदर, है ना. So as soon as you figure it out and you know that adjacent sides are adjacent but opposite sides cannot be together, they cannot be seen together at all. So in this case we'll conclusively say that any side or any cube, any dice having the opposite sides together are actually incorrect. So this is actually that actually comes through elimination method. So of course you'll be given the options for this. If the questions are asked from this chapter, you'll be given options for this and you can eliminate. Right? You can simply eliminate which are the correct, which are the incorrect. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Just give me a moment. I'll just show you a few questions. Let me see if you can solve them. Okay, let's look at this question. Okay, tell me what is the correct
Sir,
answer.
A.
Option A.
Option
Option A.
Option A is correct.
Option A.
A.
Very good, very good. So
Option
you
A.
guys are very good learners. तो जल्दी आप लोग को समझ में आ गया ये चैप्टर, ठीक है? तो इस चैप्टर में बस मतलब ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं, इसमें और ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्या कर सकते हैं कि दे माइट गिव यू जस्ट हाफ ए डाइस ओवर हियर, ओके? सो यू हैव so the dice may also be like this. Okay, so in these cases how are you going to do it? Very simple. This and this are opposite, this and these are opposite.
So there are 7 faces.
There are not 7 faces. If you clearly see, this is just half of dice, right?
Half part of.
Okay. So you have to join that.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You want this will come and fill in over here,
Yeah.
isn't it? So this face and this face will be
Yes.
opposite. I can mark it with a
Yes,
different color. This and this will come together and form a single face, right? And of course, this and this will be opposite to each other. Anna? So once you have figured this out, then I think it's very, very easy and very, very crystal clear as to how you have to actually solve this question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो इसमें बस इतना ही है, ज्यादा कुछ इसमें है नहीं, मतलब
Sir,
This is-
sir, I have a doubt.
yes.
So will you please इससे पहले वाला आप दिखा देंगे question? Show the previous one.
This one or the question you're saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what if the element of first option will interchange their places?
For instance, इसमें.
Yes, sir. Will interchange.
Okay. So you mean to say, just a minute. So what you're saying is, okay, डॉलर रहने देते हैं, ये यहाँ चला आया और ये
Yes, sir.
यहाँ चला आया, है ना? हाँ, तो
Yes,
भी
sir.
आंसर ये होगा.
Still the same. So sometimes
Hmm.
both the options are given, so it's difficult to figure out which one is correct.
See, in these cases, then you will have to visualize. Okay, then you need to visualize as to which might be correct, because over there the sequence might not be the same. Over here, if this is not given, for instance, this is not given, only this is given. So this will be the correct answer because you have eliminated all the other answers, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? And if this option is also incorrect, and if you mark any of the options as like, okay, this is the correct one, so you'll be given marks for that, because that's the that question is given in such manner. Okay, so in cases where you have incorrect questions, if you mark it, only if you mark it, you're given marks, 2 marks for that question. Okay,
So it is not possible to give the both of the options.
if they give, say, it won't be correct, no, because both are correct actually.
Okay, sir.
Logically, if you think, both are correct, because both are possibilities. These both guys can occur.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you guys practicing? The questions and all.
Me?
Okay. So I'll just come back just a minute. Share the screen.
So you asking to me or with everyone?
I'm asking everyone. I believe that you guys are also taking tests, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir was discussing what some tests that had taken place.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How are you guys doing in the tests?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Very nice.
Okay. So this is all about dice. All right. Any confusion? Just ask me right away.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
All right.
Clear.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, let's just take a few questions. Okay. Just a minute. I'll start from that. Okay. You can see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Which is the correct answer?
B. A, sir.
C.
C. Okay. Is it correct? Others agree?
C, sir.
See, very easy.
B,
First,
sir.
figure out. Like, let's consider the first and the second dice. Okay. 3, 1, 2,
C.
1, 4, 6. 1 is common, right? So go from 1, 2. So 1, 3, 2, and 1, 4, 6. Right? Like this. Now, what does it ask you? Which number will come in the two faces marked A and B over here, right? A and B. Now, 5 is given over here.
Sir, please solve
Sorry.
this.
5 is given over. That means 1 cannot come together, right? Isn't it? 1 is eliminated out. What other options are there? 4, 6, 3, 2. Okay. Now, look at this question. 1, 6. So since 1 cannot come, this is also eliminated. This is also eliminated. This is also eliminated. D is the correct answer because you cannot have 1. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can you explain it once? Yes, sir.
So can you explain once again why one cannot come?
Okay. So over here, if you look at the first dice and the second dice, okay, just let me zoom it in. Okay. So in this, what do we see? We see that 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 6. First and second dice I'm taking, and what I'm getting, 1 is common, right?
4, 6, 1, 6 for us clockwise.
I'm going clockwise. 1, 3, 2.
1, 6, 3, 2, and 1.
6 for.
Yes, 1, 6, 4. Yes, I'm going that way. 1, 6, 4. Over
1,
here,
6, 4.
it will come 5, right? Because 5 is the missing number out here. Isn't it?
Sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
considering this, we know that 5 and 1 cannot come together. Clear?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, if we look at the options, option A has 1 and 6. 1 cannot come, so it's incorrect. 1 and 3, 1 cannot come, it's incorrect. C, 1 cannot come, so C is also incorrect. Over here we have 2 and 3, so this might be the correct one. Clear?
So we have to do clockwise only
Yes,
on
sir.
both.
You can either go, you can go anti-clockwise also, but again that's the rule that you have to follow throughout. Okay, you cannot have okay कि right now अभी चल तो clockwise कर लेते हैं, अगले क्वेश्चन में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज कर लेंगे, क्योंकि बाद में काफी कंफ्यूजन होना शुरू हो जाता है. Okay, so let's rejoin, guys. I think there's only 1 minute, last minute left. All right, just rejoin and then we'll continue from where we leave off right now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.